It's a Saturday afternoon. It's October 18 at 4:38 p.m. Kababalik lang natin galing sa SM Grocery Store. SM Store? Ano ba yun? Basta grocery store. Nanggaling ako ng grocery store. And as you can see, pawis-pawis pa tayo. Ang bigat nung pinamili ko. Unti lang naman yun, pero sakit ng balikat ko. Hindi ko siya kinaya. Mabuti na lang si kuya dun sa may gitna ng paglalakad ko. May isang tricycle driver na usually color blue kasi yung tricycle na sinasakyan ko. Tapos pinara ko si kuya, and then fortunately, pwede pala silang magsakay kahit na hindi dun sa may SM. So ayun, ayusin ko lang din yung mga pinamili ko today. Tapos gagawa ako ng overnight oats. By the way, I bought this overnight oats jar glasses on TikTok, if that's allowed to say in here. I'm not sure. Pero, oh god. Pero ito sila. 4 lang yung binili ko. Dahil I thought it's gonna be smaller in person. Pero sakto lang pala yung laki niya. So, bibili pa ako na to. Siguro mga 4 pa for my overnight oats. And then we also bought this chia seeds. Hello, it is a Monday morning in the United States. Pero dito sa Philippines, it is 7 in the evening. And it's Monday. It's the first day of the week. And we are going to be working today. Dahil wala tayong choice. Wala tayong generational wealth. Hindi tayong mga nepo babies. So, ayan, I'm already logged in. And yeah, kakatapos ko lang din maligo. Well, di ako naligo, nag-half bath lang ako. Kasi later pa ako maliligo before ako mag-gym. So hopefully makapag-gym tayo. So kaninang umaga, Monday morning, Lunes kasi ngayon. So kaninang umaga, we were able to go to the gym for the first time in a while. Hindi kasi ako naging consistent when I was in Cavite. So, this time, ayun, balik tayo sa pag-gym. So, later, after shift, the usual plan, punta tayo ng gym. And then, it's our second day. And before ko pala malimutan, ito na palang ginawa nating overnight oats nung Saturday. So, as you can see, ayan, medyo malambot na yung oats niya. May mangoes sa taas, tas yung blueberries pa yun. Tama ba? Yung blueberries na binili ko. And then, yan. This is what it looks like. Actually, ako pa siya kainin kasi kumain na rin naman ako ng hapunan. Pero tikman nga natin siya. Sobrang OA naman itong... sobrang OA ng lagayan. Hindi mabuksan. It's already open. Plan ko talaga is kainin siya before ako mag-gym later. Probably after ko mag-gym. Tikman lang natin siya. Sarap talaga nito. 100%. Lalo na kapag may mango yung overnight oats. Sarap. Anyway. May ako na lang kakainin before or after ko mag-gym. Para may extra energy tayo. Maybe spray lang natin, anak. Hello everyone, it is 4:30 in the afternoon. It is Tuesday and kakatapos ko lang lagyan sila Taylor and Kahel nitong binili ko online. So it's called Vet's Choice 2-in-1 First Spray. I've been noticing na the past few weeks medyo nagkakamot-kamot sila, tapos only nung isang araw ko lang nalaman na parang may mga maliliit-liit na mga black dun sa loob ng pag ginanon nyo yung balahibo nila, may makikita kayo mga color black dun na parang mga itlog ata yun nung I don't know, tick and fleece. Kaya binili ko to. I've read good reviews about this online, plus actually hindi ko pa na-unbox tong other two, which are actually just maintenance vitamins. So this first one, sorry ang awkward ng buhok ko dahil halos kakagising ko lang din. So this first one that I bought is called Uricare for Cats. So pinapainom ko to kay Kahel and Taylor at least 2 to 3 times a week. As we all know, kapag mga pusa kasi talaga, mas prone sila sa UTI, sa, kidney diseases. So, yan, para lang maka-help or, para ma-avoid yung mga ganong complications in the future, I would, have them take this at least 2 to 3 times a week. 2 is the minimum. It's called Uricare for Cats. And then, next one is multivitamins, LC-Vit. So, this one naman, yan. They have 2 variants of this, if I'm not mistaken. One is for dogs, and then the other, or this one, is for cats. So, ito naman, pinapainom ko sa kanila to daily. And mas madalas or mas magana silang kumain when they take this. Hello, it is a Wednesday. No, it's Thursday na. It's a Thursday shift. I wasn't able to vlog that much nung Tuesday and Wednesday shift kasi I was so busy. Alam mo yung super hyper-focused kayo sa work that hindi nyo na alam na tapos na pala yung shift. Ganong level of business the past, well, actually since Monday. So right now, I'm about to start my shift. Skincare lang muna tayo before that. I wasn't able to prepare my coffee, but I have my green tea in here to help us get skinny. Anyway, yun lang naman yung update ko. I'm just gonna be logging in, tapos start na tayo sa work after the skincare. Of course, skincare is a must before anything else. We got Frankie's for dinner. For rice, we have, I think this is called adlay. It's a rice alternative. This is, well, it's my first time trying it out. And mukha naman siyang kanin. Nabili ko lang din siya sa grocery. And then we have Frankie's and then blue cheese. Let's eat. Look what came in today. It's outside milk. Finally, I've been waiting for this for months. Dahil sobrang overpriced ng ibang mga nagbebenta nito. Except for SNR sa Shopee. Finally, mayroon tayo pang coffee. And then I'll also be using this for my overnight oats. And pagpasensya nyo yung buhok ko. Dahil kakagising ko lang and kinuha ko tong parcel sa baba. Anyway, we've ordered 12 pieces of this. So hopefully this would last me a month or more, hopefully. So ayan, that's the update. It's Monday today. It's, what day is it? It's October 27. Ayun lang naman. It is a rainy Monday morning for me. Well, it's already 6:33 p.m. and we're done making our coffee. So, you know what's next? We have to work. Hopefully, maging kinder tong week na to sa atin, no? Kasi last week it was so very, very busy. Last week, a lot of things have been happening at work. And yeah, that's all I can say. Hyper-focused. Lahat na ng kabisihan na nasa last week. Over the past 3 weeks, sobrang busy. So hopefully, this week, I'm praying na it would be lighter. Kasi, it's just tiring. Anyway, we have to work. Ayun lang naman, I'm just cooking dinner. And then, after that, start na tayo ng work. We're cooking, what do you call this? Chicken tapa. And then may mga color red siya, as you can see. Ayoko ilapit yung camera kasi baka matamaan siya ng init. But, yung may kita yung color red dyan, if it's noticeable sa camera, parang chili bits siya since hot and spicy chicken tapa siya. Anong vlog mo ngayon? Life in Zamboanga pa din?
Say hi. Say hi ka. Wala, ano lang, about sa life ko lang.
Okay. Actually, grinag din kita. So we are finally in the office and fortunately sobrang bilis ng biyahe. Hindi ko rin in-expect. However, yung pamasahe, it's, I would say, higher than usual. It's a lot more expensive than usual kasi ang lakas nga ng ulan sa labas. And it's still raining outside actually, and right now it's 6:25 in the US pero it's 7:25 Philippine time. Hopefully makapag-dinner pa kami. I'm just waiting for Mon. We're planning to have dinner outside. And after that, babalik sa office and then, do our work responsibilities today. Anyway, that's the current update that I have.
Uy, first time mo lalabas sa vlog ko.
Kaya dapat na magandahan mo naman yung ano ko dyan. Kailangan mapayat ako dyan. Tawan-tawa. Guess who ordered his second cup of coffee tonight? Ayaw namin ni Ali kumain ng solid food dahil punta kami ng kasal later. So, we're really trying to keep our tummy small. Hopefully, magkasya mamaya mga isusuot namin. But, ayun nga, punta kami dito kasi, away, stukan. And then, nag-work kami outside since babalik kami ng condo sa Pasig. And then, after that, mag-aasikaso lang kami doon and then dediretso na kami sa kasal without sleep. Busy siya mag-work. Actually, hindi siya nag-work. So, kung mababa. But, ayun lang naman yung update. It's our second coffee for tonight. We've ordered salted caramel mocha. That's it. And then, siguro, uwi na kami around 3 a.m. Didiretso na kami ng Pasig. Pupunta na kami sa COD. Magpa-park lang. Parang medyo, anyway, actually, pumasok na daw sa park yung super typhoon kaya sobrang lakas din ng ulan sa labas. And later, after our shift, meron pa kaming shift. After our shift, diretso na kami mag-asikaso ni Ali. And then, diretso na kami sa Rizal. Anong part nga ng Rizal? Antipolo ba yun? Basta pupunta kami sa kasal later. Double check na lang namin yung address. So, yun, wala naman tulugan to. Diyos ko, medyo scary sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Hindi lang siya scary pakinggan kasi may kanta ni Taylor Swift pero nakakatakot sa labas. Tigil mo nga yung kanta ni Taylor Swift. Lagyan mo ng horror. Horror! Appreciation for our driver today. Hello?
So pretty.
Stop it.
Guys, are you agree? I'm so pretty.
Anong are you agree?
Are you agree? Do you agree pala? Nababaliw na. Wala na guys, nabobobo na kami.
Hindi, nalipasan na itong yan. Nalipasan na talaga.
Sayote lang kinain mo.
Alam mo, malukong pinapanood mo man itong vlog na to. Nag-crash diet kami para sa wedding mo. And nandidilim na actually yung paningin.
Si Ian, Jolly Hotdog pa lang kinakain.
Jolly Hotdog pa lang kinakain ko to. Di para magkasya yung pants ko ngayon.
Ako sayote pa lang guys. Kaya wala nang princess.
Diba? Are you agree?
Are you agree? Guys, mali yun ha. Don't gaya us. Don't gaya
Oo, wag kayong magpipigil ng gutom. Diyos ko. Para lang sa kasal. Eh, kaninong kasal ba yun? Uy!
Kasal ba natin yun?
Charis lang. Love you, Malu. And we are so excited to see your wedding dress later. Actually, we're actually practicing how to cry or how we're going to cry later.
Ay, hindi na practice.
Actually, umiyak na si Ali ngayon. Oo eh.
Very main character daw yung dating ko doon.
Uy, yung magulhol pa yan doon. So, pansin pa naman yan. Princess, this ain't a fairy tale.
Mali!
Sobrang random. Pero mamaya, bibidyoan ka namin pa doon. Dinala namin tong camera na to kasi wala naman talaga kami planong mag-vlog. Di ka naman namin talaga i-content. Dinala namin. Sinungaling.
Sinungaling mo, no more.
Liar.
Are you agree?
Are you agree, Malu? Question of the day, are you agree? Ano, ang tawa siya.
Ang bobo kasi. Simpleng grammar.
Para di na tayo dadaan ng ligaya.
Sige po, kuya.
Kami yung una nasa pila. We were able to get photos together. This looks cute. Kaso kita yung paghawak ko ng remote. And then I think this one's better. Hindi kami ready dito. Napindot yung I like it, no? Ganda.
Take your seat here in front next to the deacon seat.
Dito na kami sa, hindi ko na alam kung nasa na kami. Pero, stopover muna tayo. Para magkape.
Magkape.
Magkape?
Ay, hindi.
Mali!
May parking mo dun.
Kaya mo pa ba?
Parking
I think... Ayun, yun. May paalas to na yun. Kita ko yun.
Sinagasakan tong mga to.
Uy! Ito oh. Finally.
Yung pinakamalaki niya.
Hirap na yung ano.
Kaya nga.
Ay! It's universe.